Right. I need something quick, simple and fresh. Tomatoes, onions, yes. Chop them up. And bosh! Into the pan, add the stock, then a little seasoning, and there you go, tomato soup, back of the oven.
Oh.
So, JG, how's the soup?
Excellent. In fact, you could say your soup is superb.
Thanks, JG. Hi, Maggie.
Hiya, Shane. I've got today's vegetable order.
Fantastic. Bring it through, Maggie.
We've got some tomatoes, fresh off the vine, and peas so fresh they're still in their pods.
Ooh.
Shane, are you feeling all right?
Your peas will look great in my new video. In fact, I bet your whole vegetable garden's looking lovely. Let's go see. Right, in your own time, Maggie.
OK, here goes. Well, here is where I grow the vegetables that Shane uses in his kitchen.
Keep going, keep going.
Just look at these peas. Oh, no, sorry, they're over here.
Oh, that's great. You know what? I'm getting to be a bit of an expert at this.
Shane, mind, watch the gate. Uh-oh.
Hey? Oh, no! Hey, come back here, you. I'm gonna get you.
Oh, pig, come back!
Here he is, Shane the chef.
Mario!
Uh-oh. Sorry, Mama.
Ooh, well, it's finally stopped.
Let's give it a try. That is delicious yoghurt. That machine of yours actually worked.
I knew it would. Hang on, Shane. Doesn't yoghurt need to be in a fridge as well?
Sizzling saucepans, you're right. I'll have to ask Mama Polenta to keep it in her fridge. It's really good yoghurt, though. I could flavour this with all sorts of tasty things. Bananas, kiwi fruit, strawberries.
Well, sounds good to me.
Oh, no.
What?
Strawberries. We promised to help Maggie pick them.
Oh, yes, I forgot. Well, come on, then, let's go.
I'll drop this off with Mama Polenta and I'll meet you there.
Oh, thanks for coming to help, you lot. I couldn't have done it without you.
101, 102, 103, 104.
Jay, what are you doing?
There are hundreds of seeds on every strawberry, so that means hundreds of plants and thousands of strawberries. So next year, we're going to need help. Even more of it.
In that case, you better eat a few, Jay.
Good idea.
There's still a lot to pick. I wonder where Dad's got to.
Hiya, Mama Polenta. Can you help? Our fridge is broken.
Oh, no.
Could I leave this yoghurt in your fridge while I go help Maggie pick her strawberries?
Of course, Shane. You know, I used to love strawberry picking when I was a girl. Tell Maggie I'll be right along to help.
Oh, thanks, Mama Polenta, you angel.